So one of the things that I really like about this too is the color. It is so easy to move around, and it took me like literally 20 minutes to put this bad boy together. It has the drainage on the side, as you saw. There's two-sided lids, so you could either open up both at the same time or one to keep it, make sure the cold air stays in. Um, Look at that. She's a beaut. She is a beaut. And I love the fact that it has storage on the bottom. You can move it around as you see fit. It has the towel rack on the side, guys, and a little handle to push it around. The drain, again, super simple, super easy to use. I really, really, really love how this one came out. And again, that's a spice rack on the side if you want to put things on it, like some spices or anything you're using for barbecuing. You got, again, the bottle opener and that liner in there that keeps everything nice and cold for you. Super easy, super simple, something great for summertime, and you know it's going to last.